guys, I'm Dipti and welcome to my channel Your Kitchen Your Rule. In today's episode we are going to make crispy corn. It's very easy, very delicious and a perfect party snack. But before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified by my new upcoming recipes. So now let's start. All the ingredients and their measurements are listed in the description box below. In a big pot, take 3 cups of water, add salt and add 1 cup of sweet corn kernels. Boil the kernels for 2 minutes. If you don't boil the kernels, they might rupture while frying. So this step is necessary. After 2 minutes, drain off the water and transfer the corn kernels in the plate. The water and moisture will help the flour to stick to the corn kernels. I prefer plate over bowl to ensure that each kernels can be coated well in the broad vessel. Now I am adding black pepper powder and incorporating it to season it up. And then add corn flour, rice flour, all-purpose flour, and some salt. Mix really well. This is the most crucial part of this recipe. On this stage, the flour will not stick to the kernels and will deposit at bottom. That's why I prefer plate. Just take a little bit of water, just 1 or 2 spoons of water, and coat the kernels well. Now heat up the oil and check the temperature by adding a kernel. If it will float on top, the oil is ready for frying. I have used a big sieve to shake off all the excess flour so that it can't ruin the oil. Fry the kernel in the medium-high heat for few minutes. Partially cover the lid to prevent any rupture if any happens. They will float when they will ready. Bring down it to a plate lined with tissue paper to soak up all the excess oil. Heat up a little oil in a pan. Add chopped garlic and chilies. I am using red chilies just for the pop of color. You can use green chilies. The taste will be same. Now saute it for few seconds, then add chopped onion and cook it for couple of minutes or until the onion gets transparent. Now season it with red chili powder, white pepper powder and chaat masala. I am using white pepper powder but you can use black pepper powder also. Mix well. My kitchen is filled with wonderful aroma here. Now add vinegar. I am also adding greens of onion and some coriander. You can add whatever greens available with you, and if not, then you can skip it. And at last, add corn and incorporate all masalas and corn well by giving a final mix. Some more coriander. Now a tip. When you have party with your friends, you can prepare the fried corn by the head of time, and while serving, you just need to assemble everything well in pan. And I'm sure it will make your party a hit. It's also best for kids' tiffin box. You can also sprinkle greens of onions on the top if you wish to. Do try this recipe. Enjoy the crispy masala corn and share your experiences with me. I will see you soon with another delicious recipe next week. Till then, bye.